ahead and I cataloged our zincs. I do believe there's a bow thruster zinc, I just didn't see it. We have a Beneteau prop nut zinc that is most likely 35 millimeter. We have two zincs on the shaft. One's a color zinc, the other one's a shaft zinc. We have enough room to put two shaft zincs if we need to. That's either going to be a 1 3/8 or it's going to be a 35 millimeter shaft zinc. So I'll go ahead and update our info there. But as far as the cleaning goes, it definitely needs it, and it'll probably take about 2 hours, maybe even 2.5, for our guys to